Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the sign-in. Make sure your network is stable and any VPN is off so authentication can reach Microsoft. Also verify system time and date because certificates depend on accurate clocks. Once done, open the OneDrive app or settings and click Sign In. You'll be prompted for your work or Microsoft account. Enter credentials carefully, watch for multi-factor prompts, and proceed to the next step if authentication stalls. Now focus on credentials and account conflicts that commonly block sign-in. You should open Credential Manager and remove stale OneDrive or Microsoft tokens so the client requests fresh credentials. Next, check OneDrive settings for duplicate accounts. Remove any that don't belong. If you use Office, run a quick repair or re-enter your Microsoft password in Office apps to sync SSO tokens. Once complete, restart OneDrive and attempt sign-in again. This refreshes tokens and resolves most mid-process failures. Finish by confirming the client reaches full sync and handling persistent failures. After signing in, right-click the OneDrive icon to inspect sync status and address any file errors. Resolving a single blocked file often completes the process. If sign-in still fails, run the OneDrive reset command to rebuild settings and caches. This forces a fresh authentication attempt. If that fails, remove and re-add your Windows or Microsoft account. One key troubleshooting tip: check Corporate Conditional Access, or MFA, prompts on another device if authentication seems blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.